SOUN stock next week. Is it a buy or sell? Let's see where is SoundHound AI stock going in the next upcoming days, weeks, and months, right? Now, this is number one thing on the list because, again, it's very important, but context behind my message. I'm using my strategy and system that has previously given me thousands of wins in 2023. And I'm saying this because it is the actual truth and I have everything documented on my YouTube channel, okay? So, with SoundHound AI stock analysis, this is how it looks like. Going back, I mean, this week was actually crazy good. 70% off for the week is just mental, but you can see what my prediction was. The only way for me to do anything right here was if the price started breaking. For me to be bearish, the price needed to break above this high. And after we do that, I mean, yeah, this is kind of my next target. If you're now aware, previously I predicted like 200% increase in price here. And I'm going to show you the proof of that right now. Let me show right here and search SOUN. This was not it. Neither did was this, but it was, yeah, this prediction. Here's the video link proof. You can check it out yourself. But yeah, talking back with also UN. Actually, let's just do this. Here is the YouTube video. Okay. You see, this was made 10 months ago, right? 28th of March. So you get the point. I like literally have nothing to sell you. This is the proof of me calling it out. And I mean, the next, this is kind of just the direction of bias. Because come on, man. I mean, we just gapped up higher, right? For me to get into a bullish opportunity here, is the price will need to come back down to $2 if there is a trade opportunity. But yeah, definitely going to keep you updated. If you want to learn my course, check out the free course below.